Hello guys, welcome to Soft Asia. Today I will show you how to add arts parts on image like that in WordPress using WP Bakery Page Builder. This will increase user engagement on your content. To add this, first you need to log into dashboard. Once you logged into your site, go to the plugins and click on add new. Click on upload plugin. Choose file from your computer. Install Ultimate VC add-ons. You can download it from your browser. You have to purchase this plugin. Now click on install. Now your plugin was successfully installed. Click on replace current with uploaded. You will receive an activate button here. Just click on it. Now your plugin was successfully installed. Go back to dashboard. Now go to the pages and click on add new. Add page title and click on backend editor. Scroll down, click on add element. You can see Ultimate VC add-on section. Click on it. Now in the Ultimate VC add-on section, you can see image hearts part widget. Click on it. In last line, click on it. Now you have to add image that you want to show. Add image. Click on use this image. You can change image size. Custom or full size is best practice. Save changes. Now click on this plus button and click on hotspot items. Now select hotspot on your image. Add hotspot title. I want to say clouds. Scroll down. Go to the icon and add hotspot icon. Scroll down. I will add this icon. Now change icon size and icon color. You can add background in icon. Add background color. Now go to tooltip. Change tooltip text color and background. Now you can see when you hover on arts part, the tooltip will appear or by clicking. Hover is best practice. You can change position to the bottom. You can also enable or disable arrow. Change animation to row. Now go to animation. Animation for hearts part. Select low. Now save changes. Preview. You can see arts part added on image. Now what if you want to add more hearts parts on this image? Go back to editor and duplicate this spot. Edit it Drag this heart part to the place where you want to add. Chain text. Now save changes. Duplicate it again. Edit item. Change the position. Now change text. Save changes. Now preview. You can see more hard spot added on the image. That's how you can add hard spots on image in WP Bakery. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.